How to delete all messages on Facebook. First of all, let's navigate and open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure you are already logged into your account. Once you are in, find the conversation that you want to delete. But keep in mind that Messenger does not allow selecting all conversations and deleting them at once. To solve this issue, tap on the three lines from the top left corner and tap on the gear icon to open the settings page. Next, scroll down to the safety section and tap on report technical problem. It will ask you to go back where you are facing problem and shake your phone. But I am going to report, so tap on report anyway and then tap on don't include. Now here you can see the screenshot is already attached, and in the text box you need to write a request like, I want to delete all conversations including messages. Can you please help me to delete at once? Waiting for your response. After typing the request, tap on send to submit your report. Now wait for Facebook response. If approved, they will remove all messages from your account. And that's it. You have successfully requested to delete all messages on Facebook Messenger. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.